Hello all, very warm welcome. Today we are looking at another input question which is asked in week 4 of January 2021. The question says sort the matrix diagonally. Now in this we are given a matrix which contains a set of values. All we have to do is pick all the values which are present diagonal to each other and sort them. For example, if I have this matrix which is 3 3 1 1 double 2 1 2 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 2. So if you look at 3 to 1, this is not sorted, right? So if I look at 3 to 1, this is not sorted to 1 to 3 at the same indexes. So and 3 1 2 is 1 2 3. So the question is very self-explanatory in the nature, and let's see how we are going to approach this, right? So very straightforward approach which I can think of is we have to store the values which are present diagonally, sort them, and place them back to the uh, respective positions, bring them back and place them into matrix, right? And how we are going to do that? We are going to use a Python library which is again heapcube, right? It uses main heap concept, main heap or max heap, whatever you want to kind of consider, right? And what we are going to do is we are going to create say a dictionary, and it will contain a heap queue object. And what we are going to do is whenever I'm going to insert a value to this heap, it will automatically sort the values. So all I need to see is that I have to pick the diagonal values and put it into one array index. What I mean by that is, let's take an example. Okay, so I have already penned down an example which is, say, this one. So what we are going to do, right? If you can see the screen, I have an input matrix which is 132 402 323, right? So if you look at this matrix, right, at 0 comma 0 index I have a value 1, 0 comma 1 I have a 3, and output, just to ensure that we are not missing on that, the output which I'm expecting is 1 2 3 1 2 2 1 2 2 2, sorry, this will be 0 2 1 3, and this will be 3 comma 4 comma 3. This is the output which we are looking at, because if you see 103 needs to be sorted to 013, 3 comma 2 needs to be sorted to 2 comma 3, and so on, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to use the concept of in order to pick diagonal values, what we are going to do is straightforward is we'll say h of I minus j, whatever that value will be, I'll keep on appending the value. Right? So in this case, this is the main, you can say, crux of this. What we're going to do is 0 comma 0, which is 1, I have h comma 0 being added to 1. Now this h is right now my heap. Okay, now 0 comma 1, which is this index, I have 3, and what will happen, right? H I minus j in this case will be minus 1, because I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 1, so I minus j becomes minus 1, right? Similarly here I have I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 2, then I minus j again becomes minus 2, right? So similarly, if I look at it, h0 is 1, h minus 1 is 3, h minus 2 is 2, then I minus j, h1 is 4, and so on. So what ultimately, if I look at it, right, I have at 0th, h0th, I have three values, 1 comma 0 comma 3, right? Because I'm going to add that into the heap, right? And h minus 1 is 3 comma 2, h minus 2 is 2, and h1 is equal to 3 comma 4. All we have to do is now sort this and again insert it back to the matrix, right? So with this, with this as a baseline, let's go ahead and start coding. What we're going to do is, first we are going to create a dictionary uh, of list type. Then I'm going to do, I am going to kind of create, find the length of the matrix, which will be, input is mat, and m will be equal to len of first row index mat of 0, right? I have my n comma 1, n comma m, which is your I number of rows and number of columns, right? Now I'm going to loop through all the values in the matrix, and I'm going to use heap queue object as I just talked about. Hi comma j, I minus j, the value whichever I have at this index, I j, right? So what this means is I'm at 0th index, at h minus j index, I'm inserting a value, this one, right? The first time it will, I minus j will be 0, say, and this is the way it will keep on inserting the values. Now I have the values which is present in this heap at respective indexes. Now what I need to do is I need to again reassign the values in the array, right? So I'll just copy paste this, let it be for j in range m. Now in this place I'll use a concept of, sorry, I have to assign the values, right? Hij becomes, I can use the concept of heap pop, right? What does what does heap pop does? For a given index, it will take the minimum value and pop it, right? So this is the internal functionality of heap pop, right? Once this is done, the respective assignment will take place on the matrix, and I can simply return the matrix. This is it. So the concept was very similar. It's just that in this place I use heap. You can use, you can say, list of list, and then you can sort the list for a given index, and then again reassign that to the matrix. So there are a couple of ways to do it. I used a min heap hash map for doing the solution. And if I look at the complexity will be n into m, and n into m into log of whichever is the log of again n or m, whichever is having the minimum value out of n and m, right? So complexity, just to pen it down, right? Complexity for this one will be n into m, because we are doing a 2D array, and log of whatever is minimum of n comma m. This is the complexity, right? So this is that this was a medium based question in lead code, but if you kind of know the approach, then it becomes very straightforward and easy. Let's run it and see what is happening. Okay, I got the proper results. Let's submit it. It got accepted. So thank you guys, thanks a lot. If you like the description, like the approach, like the solution, then please go ahead and like and subscribe. Thank you, thanks a lot.